Welcome back to the can cutting. I got all these done, cut. All these you see is open or cut open. I'm sure using the same blade I started with today. And I have these all left over. I started to move them out of my way over here. That way I can have more room. Go ahead and finish moving them out of my way. That way I can have room. That's got a bubble bottom. Maybe I'll turn it the other way because I'm on a hill already. Make it fall back towards me. But yeah, I'm gonna move these out of my way. And then start leveling them all, flattening them all out. Then you know how many I have all together. So all the ones that you saw me cut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. Alright, let's start back here. Let's start with this one. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Usually I go in between them all like this. And I take up less room as well. And if one falls, they're all gonna fall together. Usually that's what I do with them all. You know, take up that, and look how much more space it gave me when I do that. So that's how I was doing them with the big pen over there. After I cut them off. So as you can see right now, we got quite a bit more room. Enough to do probably 4 more. Hard to do that with one hand. I got enough to do at least 4 more cans right here after doing that. And if I did that, that would open up 2 more spots for 4 more cans. And that would give me that much more room. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now I can just start taking these and opening them up. That's the bigger one. So it's gonna go in a different pile. Yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna have at least 3 to 4 different piles. That one longer goes with the other one. That's why I like laying them all out like this, so that way I can keep all the same size to each one. This one, same as the other one. What I do, after I do about 10 to 15 of them, give my grinder time to cool down. And I don't have to worry about burning it up. I had that grinder for about 5 years, and it's a good grinder so far. All I have to do is replace the blades every time I use them. This is another way I can tell after I put them all together. You can see how short they are. And this one here is the taller one. Put that on the bottom. And as you can tell here, some of them are taller than the other two. Probably because the way I cut it. The bottom's not cut all the way across. Which is fine. Just more weight and less weight for these. I have more weight for the top and bottom pieces together. I know it's gonna take probably about 20 to like 40 of these cans to make a pound maybe. I haven't looked it up yet, but I'm guessing that. It works. It's way more when you have thousands and hundreds of them. Than I do just this many I have now. I will do a video later about about these cans, how much they weigh after I'm done cutting them and doing all that, unfolding them. This one's gonna be a little hard because it got that double mouth. All the ones with the double mouth are a little harder than the flat mouth. That's why you see me every once in a while struggling with them. Yeah, I'm almost caught up. Just 5 more left. Counting this one here, 4 more others. Plenty of time to grind it to cool off and do about 10 to 15 more. Then do the same thing. Let it cool off while I'm unfolding them all. I always like keeping all the lip sides together. But later on, when I throw them in the 55-gallon drum, like that blue one you see behind my red wagon, I'll have another one way in the far back, back here. As you saw in my first video, or that I have my yellow coat hanging. This one here is gonna be bigger or longer, and a little bit skinnier. As you can tell, it's longer than a lot of other ones. I bought. It is longer than all these, so that's a different size. So yeah, I'm gonna have quite a few of them as well. 3 more here to do. Then I start cutting more. And I know some of you don't be saying, wear gloves, messing with that kind of stuff. Don't cut yourself. Well, I've been cut and poked and stabbed all my life. I have asthma. Had asthma all my life. Ever since I was born. I will continue doing this until I die. Either until I die or until I'm no longer to do stuff like this again. And you never know, anything can happen any day, any night. People die all day, every day. Not just older people, but the young kids, babies, and they even make it 1 month or 1 day. And those are the ones that don't even know what life is, so that they even make it 1 day. And I have a friend, a family member, and a friend lost a baby within 24 to 48 hours. And they even make it 1 day. Or they even make it 2 days or 3 days without dying. I know what it's like. Cause I almost died on my parents 4 times. Well, I did die on them 4 times, and I came back because Jesus wasn't ready for me yet. So that's called a miracle. People always tell a miracle. Because Jesus wasn't ready for that person yet, especially me. Almost got it. That's good enough. A short one. So that's them. That's all them I had cut. Now I can work on cutting more. If I get more cut, I'll get back to you and do some more video of me squishing them, flattening them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, notification bell, and submit if you want to see more of these getting done.